Day 2 begins. See how it goes. Babe, Day 2. I think we're earlier. What do you think?
Maybe about like 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Maybe.
Well, we were quicker today.
Yeah.
Which means we may be actually riding this thing at night, so yeah. And we're still walking.
Morning.
Would you like to give us a little intro for the day?
All right, early entry, 7 a.m. Let us in at 6:45. It is currently 7:27. We just got off of Hagrid's. For some reason, they made us wait a little while. I don't know. We didn't just get on like we did yesterday. But we're here. Sun's not even fully up.
Wait for it. Focus. All right. Good. 25-minute wait. What does that mean, babe?
That means that we're headed that way.
Done. It was pretty awesome yesterday, so we might as well go ahead and try it again. I have no idea what this is. All right. See how it goes. Babe. How was it, Day 2? Better? Yeah. You can actually open your eyes some?
No screaming, or not as much screaming.
Less screaming, more enjoying.
Yeah. Yesterday, I had my eyes closed most of the time and just like freaking out. Today, I was just like, oh, hey, I'm on a roller coaster.
Oh my gosh. So we're literally following like the same path as we did yesterday, except today we're 2 minutes earlier. Hoping we can get in to Gringotts this time. Maybe once people won't pass us in line.
Maybe we won't be delayed.
Yeah, maybe they won't shut it down and then we get out of line and then we open it back up. But we'll see how it goes. The dragon, of course, makes everybody bottleneck right here. We'll keep you posted. So we saw the dragon yesterday. We breathed fire. We got ice cream. Fortitude. And now we are going to try Leaky Cauldron. And I'm hoping it's good because every time we've tried some type of UK-based breakfast, it's always been good. So yeah, here we go. All right. So first of all, I had to go with the butterbeer again. But interestingly enough, she didn't do coffee, which she always does. Babe, what have you gotten yourself?
I really don't know. It said fizzy orange juice, but it looks like a margarita. It's currently 8:54 in the morning. I don't know. I don't know if it's got alcohol in it or I'm a little concerned.
I mean, it's definitely made like the stuff on the rim makes you think, and then obviously the orange.
Okay, so the outer rim is hello. Okay, so we got our food.
Tiny interruption. Worth it. I got the American breakfast. She got the
pancake breakfast.
Pancake breakfast.
So I have discovered that the outer rim is brown sugar, cinnamon brown sugar.
Oh, I'm jealous now.
I'm about to take my first sip of it, so we'll see if I'm going to be tipsy at 9 o'clock in the morning. I think it's just regular orange juice. I don't taste any alcohol.
Oh my gosh. All right, well, if we don't do any more videos today, it's because somebody passed out and had to carry her back, so.
And
all right, wish us luck. I technically do have a beer. But they didn't ID either one of us, so.
we look pretty old enough.
All right, let's see how it goes. Babe.
Yes.
How was it?
It's very good. Very good. It's kind of hard to mess up breakfast, but little link sausages were pretty good.
Well, I love my potatoes. But you're right, they were real similar to what you had last night at the Jurassic Park Terrace restaurant.
It was good.
The eggs were meh. Just standard like continental breakfast eggs, but
pancakes were surprisingly better than I thought.
Good. And how's your alcoholic, potentially non-alcoholic drink?
Not alcoholic.
Okay, good. We were so worried. But yep, doing a pretty good job. So now what?
I think we're just gonna take some time, walk around, enjoy the sights. We've done nothing but ride since 7 o'clock this morning. It's 9:15, so yeah.
Yep, just hang out, check out Diagon Alley, maybe Nocturne Alley.
Yeah.
Just see what type of trouble we can get into, right?
Exactly.
All right, well, see how it goes. Morgan and Bert. See what we can get into. Just kind of keep going. Jackson.
Well, let's settle this then. If you really think I'm sounding to you, me, right here, right now, sing it. Sing it. Did somebody wanna be? You're a heartbreaker, dreammaker, love-taker, surround me. You're a heartbreaker, dreammaker, love-taker, heartbreaker. Girl, I must want you. Sensing something strange in my mind, yeah. It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for you to find. To get you out of my head. This heart is her lover. That girl is poison. They hate me, but it ain't no lie. Bye, bye, bye. Don't make it tough, but I had enough. And it ain't no lie. Bye, 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 bye. Alright, bye. Cause I got one less problem without you. 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 I got one less problem. I'm in love with something new. Push and pull like a magnet. Even though I'm on tour, I'm in love with something new. I got one less problem. And my bedroom smells like you. But again, I've never been so sad. Yes! Let's give it up for our singers! Aren't they doing amazing?
Can't help but notice that I think they kicked Daphne out of the group. Yeah, it's like a whole new section back here. I've never noticed like the Curious George thing, so yeah. Probably not the best idea for somebody attached to the Kennedys to be riding on the back of a convertible. Say it again?
Too much.
Too much? Oh. Oh well. What do you think, babe? Good morning?
Good morning. Good busy morning.
Yep. Now, back to the resort.
Yeah, we got our feet a little
Little break, little nap, little recharge.
Went to bed about midnight, got up before 5. Probably need a little rest time.
Well, let's head on back and see what we can do. Babe,
Yes,
you ready for round 2 today?
I think so.
It's like everybody else that we came with seems to be burnt out because they don't know how to do it like us.
No.
We're gonna have to teach them someday, right?
Nah.
No.
Let's keep our secrets to
Oh,
ourselves.
I like that even better. all the famous people on YouTube, all the mini celebs, they're tippers. That's why people watch.
Okay.
This water's so nice.
All right. Well, my tip of the day is if you can do early entry, do it. do the ride you want to do, and then after that, your day is done. You're done at like lunchtime.
Right, it's like we literally hit Hagrid's and Velocicoaster before, you know, within the first hour of the
Before
park.
7:30.
What? But yeah, in the first 30 minutes of the park being open. I mean, and now it's just hanging out.
Enjoying some sunshine. We came from wet, rainy, 50-degree weather to bright, sunny, 80, 90-degree weather and water.
Right.
So we are just in like heaven right now. This water, I mean, I can sip it all night.
Yeah, we're so like low key right now that we're about to go hang out in Dr. Seuss Land. Yeah, we have to see how that compare with the Friar's Nook because we know the best form of chicken anything is trilobite. So we're technically trying to see which one's the second best. We'll let you know. So I don't know how it's gonna taste, but I think it looks wise. It looks, I think, better than the Friar Nook's chicken tots. So.
Oh no! Nothing looks better or tastes better than
I
Friar's
don't know.
Nook.
It looks better.
But
like
this is
that drizzle. Oh my gosh.
What is this? Green eggs and hams at the name of the little place in Seuss Land.
Mhm.
Yeah. All
First
right.
bite.
Let's see. It's good.
What do you think? Better? Different? All
But it's
right.
still good.
Well, how about we finish this and
Well,
then.
it's got fried chicken pieces in it. Friar's Nook
like
has
that.
like grilled chicken.
Nope,
so.
grilled chicken's probably gonna take the cake
Yeah.
here.
We'll see.
All right, let's see how it goes. What do you think?
It was okay. I mean, I wouldn't say it was great by far. Friar's Nook, even the little trilobites, buffalo chicken chips. Those are,
Yeah, those are the best. But
No.
we're only
Friar's Nook
focusing on
tots are the best.
Friar's Nook and these right here.
So the other places at Disney have like a grilled chicken. This had like literally one chicken strip like torn up into little pieces, and it was like all the crunchy bits, but none of the actual like middle chicken stuff. And like I said, it tasted okay. It's just I like grilled better than fried. Some people may love it, so
We seem to have loved it.
it served its purpose. A little mid-afternoon snack at 2 o'clock. So
Yes, well,
I mean, I'd
we're
get it
full.
again.
Carry, let's see, 240. So yeah, should carry us over to
Dinner.
dinner. Right.
I mean, I'd
and we
get
don't
it
even know what we're
again.
doing for dinner yet. So I mean,
Yeah.
good. So yeah, Friar's Nook the winner.
Oh, absolutely, 100%.
Done. That's all we needed to know. Research based. Help everybody out.
Good afternoon, you don't need to sit. Sit lovely to see you all out there. Oh, look at that coffee there. I don't know it. It's really good. Have you all seen that one? Yeah, brilliant. That's very nice. Good afternoon. We represent the Hogwarts School Choir and are here to share some music with you because music is, as Professor Dumbledore has said, a magic beyond all we do here. So, without further ado, let's start with one of my personal favourites, shall we?